Okay, so if angle A is congruent to angle D, and angle C is congruent to angle F, then what we're trying to do is, it says which additional statement does not allow you to conclude that the triangles are congruent. So let's mark what we know. We know that A is congruent to D. We know that C is congruent to F. Having that third angle wouldn't work. So if they told us B and E, angle B is congruent to angle E, would only give us angle, angle, angle. And angle, angle, angle is not a congruent statement. We can have similar triangles, one bigger than the other, and that doesn't work. Since there is a thing called angle, angle, side, we could have any one of the sides. Now, if we happen to have AC is congruent to DF, for choice C, that would actually be angle, side, angle. But BC is congruent to EF, that would be angle, angle, side, and AB is congruent to DE, that would also be angle, angle, side. Those are all totally fine. Whenever you know two angles, the third piece of information can't be the third angle because there's no such thing as angle, angle, angle congruence. So you would just need any side, and since they're naming the sides here, all of those work. The one that does not work is the one that gives us the third angle, which is not enough for us.